Good morning, everybody. We're here today in Calaf in PICVISA's test center. And what we're going to do is we want to show you how we do the automatic sorting of recycled shoes. Okay? So to do this, we are going to use the machine EcoFlake right here behind me. This machine is equipped with two different cameras, an RGB camera for the separation of colors and a hyperspectral camera for the separation of a composition of the material. Okay? So what we have done here is we have grabbed a whole bunch of shoes and we have first shredded them. Okay, we have shredded them and separated them by density into something like this. Okay, after the density separation, this is what we're left of. Okay, now this material will run through our machine here, and as a first step, it's gonna separate all the blacks, all the parts and bits that are black, because these ones make it very difficult to separate by composition. So as we can see, the machine is running right now, and we can see the difference right here, how all the blacks are being separated from the general batch, okay, from the feedstock. Now, if we get closer to the actual machine, we see the way that it's running. We can see the two cameras here, the one hyperspectral camera and the RGB camera, which is doing the first task of removing the black color. The next step will be to rerun it and to get the materials out, like for example, it could be different kinds of PU, EVA, rubbers, etc. Okay? So once this first pass is done, we will go ahead and recover the rest of the materials with an efficiency of 95%. Now we finished the first step, we separated all the blacks, and now the technology that is being used is the hyperspectral camera. Okay, with the hyperspectral camera, we can do the separation by composition. So right now we're focusing on rubber, and we are removing, let's say, all the rubber. So as we can see here, we've got the fraction of rubber, okay, that's been separated in the machine, and then the rest of material sits in this bin. Okay, we can take a closer look at the screen to see the program we're using. The programs are highly customizable. We can do it basically on as per need, right? Right now we can see the fractions of rubber that is removing, and also all the other materials that will be removed as well.